Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Serein, and like the title of this video says, pack with me. I'm a notorious overpacker. I have a lot of anxiety when I travel, and part of that is shown in me overpacking. I'm going to try and pack my entire week's worth of work clothes slash fun clothes in my carry-on. I currently have the bigger carry-on from away as well as the everywhere bag. In May, where I had 9 different flights, I was able to get away with the away carry-on and everywhere bag, mainly because I was doing very short trips. This is going to be a challenge for me because I tend to want to have options. I also tend to panic and want to bring my entire skincare collection, which is not possible. We're gonna try and do this in the bigger carry-on and the everywhere bag. If you want a full review on both of these bags, I have that on my channel and I will link it. It'll be the first link in that description box. I'll also link where you can purchase away luggage in the description box underneath that video. My review on away luggage is 100% not sponsored. I wasn't even gifted these 2 pieces of luggage that you are seeing because I purchased them myself. Exciting thing is, since I posted that original review video, Away contacted me and sent me a choice of 2 pieces of luggage. So since Chris desperately needed his own luggage, I decided to get him the exact same set but in black. He has been absolutely loving it. He, for whatever reason, can pack like 2 months worth of stuff in the bigger carry-on and the everywhere bag. We're going to New York for work, so I have to look presentable, made up than I currently do right now. Here's kind of my packing process, which isn't the most streamlined or best, but hopefully this is helpful for those of you guys who tend to be overpackers and feel like they want options and also feel like that they need everything with them, which is how I feel. And I still plan on getting the checked bags from Away as well, so that all of our luggage matches and is as efficient as our carry-on. I have my Away bags in here. They come with canvas bags, which is great. It keeps everything dust free. So this is my everywhere bag. This typically houses my laptop. It also can house an umbrella, and that's what it looks like inside. Bigger carry-on. I love having this canvas because I can store it in my larger checked bags and not have to worry about the wheels getting things dirty. I mentioned before, my favorite thing is this built-in lock. It's so easy to program, but I love how everything lays flat. It also comes with one of these luggage tags, discreet. My sister actually gave me this for Christmas like decades ago, and I still use it, which is also why I still have my maiden name on there. I'm gonna pull this out, which is my battery, and start charging it. It holds the charge pretty good, but I want it to be fully charged, and currently it's only at 4 out of 5. Ejects really easily. So a lot of you guys had questions about that. I just pop it open like this. And I do it when I'm getting on the plane because I need to show them that it's not in there. Great thing that Chris has this now too, this exact luggage, so he's not gonna drain my batteries because he's a notorious battery drainer. Even though there are 2 plugs, I am stingy with my charges, so I don't like sharing even with my husband. I'm gonna pop this open. I'm not gonna go too in-depth in this video about the luggage because obviously I did a very in-depth review. This is the side where I'm gonna keep all of my clothes for compression. This is the compression pad. There's also a built-in waterproof laundry bag, which is great. I don't have to worry about bringing one. And this is where I'm gonna throw all of my clothes. I used to use packing cubes. With the Away compression pad, I find that it's more efficient to just roll your clothes and then use that and compress everything. The first thing I like to do is check the weather. I go to my weather app. I already have New York kind of on there because it's one of the cities we go to the most. Looks like for the most part it's going to be sunny, mostly in the high 80s. I'll probably get some thunderstorms when we leave, and we leave that night, so I might want to consider bringing an umbrella. New York weather is just really kind of unpredictable. That in mind, I also like to check weather.com. I have my calendar, which I'm trying this calendar versus my bullet journal. I highlighted all the days I'm actually in New York. I also have all my meetings that are confirmed written down so that I have an idea of when I have to look a little bit more put together versus where I can just kind of, you know, get away with leggings, pick out an outfit. And because it's really hot and humid right now, I don't feel comfortable wearing the same thing twice in a row. 8 days. This day I do have a coffee meeting, but then we're flying out, so I'll probably want to change clothes. So that's really 2 outfits. Since I have minimized my wardrobe, I can see everything pretty clearly now. I am doing a capsule wardrobe. This is my 2nd capsule, spring, and now I'm on summer. Really been lovely because I have a very clear idea of what I own and I can see everything. Another thing I like to do, which sounds a little bit crazy, is I like to take photos of my outfit options. And this way I know exactly how many outfits I did plan so that when I unpack, I don't freak out thinking I don't have enough clothes. I have 10 outfits planned for meetings and walking around on my time off. That should be plenty of outfits because I'm only gonna be there for 8 full days. Worst case scenario, if I need something, I can always pick it up. Here are all of my outfits, and I have 4 pairs of shoes. I have my Reeboks, 2 pairs of sandals that go with different outfits, and then I have my workout shoes, which are the Adidas white ones. I'll wear my Reeboks on the plane. Try and roll and fold all of this into there. I'm gonna do the roll method. I find that works best with the compression system from away. I do have packing cubes, which I might use for my underwear and my socks. I'm just gonna roll with it. Saw that I packed all of my clothes, underwear, and socks on one side and then compressed it. I have plenty of outfits, plenty of clothes for the entire trip. My pajamas and extra underwear. On the other side, the non-compression side, I fit 4 pairs of shoes and my 2 bras that are a little more structured that I don't want compressed, as well as my nippies that come in the little case. I will probably actually slip that into this front pouch. That side like this for a while because I'm going to now pack my makeup and my skincare, and those will most likely like be shoved in between the shoes or in my everywhere bag. I'm going to show you what I'm packing for my makeup. Typically this is where I overpack quite a bit. I have this clear bag, which I personally just prefer because then I can see everything when I'm grabbing it. So these things are not liquid, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. If it is liquid, I'll end up moving it into a separate baggie, but for the purpose of just knowing what I have for each section, this is how I like to start packing. I'm going to start from the way I wear my makeup. Wear a primer, which I'm just bringing just in case. I don't think I have to have this. I'm bringing my Glossier Skin Tint. This is the new formulation I just got, and I'm in the shade medium. I really love the new formulation. It works better for those of us who have more combination oily skin, especially in the summer. Concealer and heavier foundation is going to be my Uncover Up from RMS. I'm in shade number 22. I also wanted to bring my Alima Pure powder foundation. This is good to kind of set my makeup if I want more coverage. Powder for setting and for touching up, I'm going to use the new Urban Decay All Nighter. I've been playing with the new MAC Spiked Shape and Shade Brow Tint. So one side is going to be the powder, and one side is going to be this calligraphy pen, which I've really been enjoying. MAC Spiked Eyebrow Styler. I'm bringing my Glossier Boy Brow Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. This is my favorite. I'm also bringing my Glossier Lash Slick because while I like the Kush one for more volume, the Lash Slick is very lengthening, but this is a little bit more water resistant and sweat resistant than the Kush one. So in case the humidity is too much, I'll switch over to the Glossier, and this is perfect for my lower lashes as well. For my eyeshadows, I am bringing my Marc Jacobs eyeshadow palette, which I kind of forgot about. Thanks to decluttering, I am pulling it back out. This is Glambition. On most days, I'll probably just wear my Glossier Lid Stars. These are my 2 favorite shades. This is Herb, and then this is Fawn. Hourglass Sunset Trio. It's one of my favorites. I have my Kosas Blush Duo Contract Chroma. Got a bronzer that's powdered in case I need to deepen anything up. This is the Laura Mercier bronzer in Soleil 1. For eyeliners, I always have my Ilia and She Was for my lower lash line. So pulled out my Antonym Brown. This is perfect for every single day, plus the sharpeners on top. And then I have my Sisley Paris Sparkling Black. This is waterproof and really gorgeous and long lasting. My lip liner that I chose for the trip is going to be Sable from Jouer. This is super long lasting and I'm almost done with it. So I figured I might as well bring it and use it up. For a pop of color, I decided to bring my Laura Mercier Velour Extreme. And this is in the shade Fire. For every single day, I've been loving the Sisley Paris Fido number 3. It's very hydrating and it has a nice little tint. My blush, I'm bringing my favorite right now is the Cloud Paint in Dawn. It's a very beautiful orangey coral. For the highlight, I've been testing out the Frank Body Luminizer, and I also really love the Magic Luminizer from RMS Beauty, but I'm gonna leave that one at home and bring my Frank Body one since I'm still testing that out. It's gonna be my makeup. I'm also going to probably tint my brows before I leave, but I probably will throw this in to my makeup kit as well. For my brushes, I'm just going to put them in this larger Glossier Ziploc pouch. I really love my Hourglass brush because this is perfect for powders, bronzers, and then this is great for setting under my eyes as well as if I needed to use it for a highlight. My Artiste brush in Oval number 4, which has been my go-to for concealer. I've been loving my Eco Tools stippling brush for cream products like blush, and I also love my Artiste brush in Oval 6 for any face products like cream bronzers or blushes as well. My MAC 217 and my Real Techniques the Deluxe Crease Brush. These are my two go-to for my eyes. Marc Jacobs Smudge Brush, Eco Tools Airbrush Complexion. This is perfect for buffing things out. The Shadow Brush from Marc Jacobs. My Crease Brush from Milani. This is one of my absolute favorites. My Lash Curler. I actually think I'm going to put in a separate case because this is going to get flattened. To start packing my everywhere bag, I packed in my Louis Vuitton backpack. This is the mini Palm Springs. Took the straps off, put that in there. My sunglasses are also in there, and some other stuff that is just I don't need right away. Dust bag, and I'm gonna put that in my bag right there. Wallet is gonna go in the large zipper, but I still need that, so I'm gonna leave it out. I have sunblock, lip balm, hair tie. This is my Tatcha blotting sheets. This is all just gonna go, I think, in the zipper area. Some mints. Probably put the camera I'm using right now as well as a mini tripod that I'm using right now in here. I'm also going to put my liquids in here, which is going to be my skincare and my body care. I also have my planner, so that's going to go in there as well, and my external hard drive, plus my cords. I'll show you where I keep all my cords. Can't forget my Kindle. I'm currently reading The Immortalists and also Across the Universe. I have this little away mini case I got at the Malin & Getz event, and this is kind of perfect for all of my cords. So you'll see in here I have all of my adapters for my laptop, 2 plugs because you always want one of those if you can. I have 2 different iPhone chargers. This is my Kindle charger. I have iPhone headphones in here, and I'm going to carry another pair of headphones for the plane. Then I'll just bring the one SD card, which is going to be in this camera, and I will have my battery for the camera in here and the charger in here as well, but currently that's being charged and used. Here's an idea of what my toiletries will look like. I actually am waiting for something to come in, and I can't wait to announce what it is. I have a skincare set that's coming in that's all full of the minis for my normal routine, but this is kind of an example of what I will be bringing. It's going to be all the stuff that's not liquids, like the dry shampoo, because that's just a powder. And then I have all my hair ties. I have an extra menstrual cup in there because I've actually traveled and didn't bring it. And Kleenex. I also have some cotton pads. I have my floss and some earplugs. Travel with my Clorox wipes to disinfect the plane, but it also is helpful to disinfect like the remote and stuff in the hotel room. My wet brush that's gonna go in here, brush little case. These are all like my little minis. This is panty liners, brush cleaners, eye patches, eye masks, and body. This is gonna go in there because it's liquid. Cleansing towelettes and some blemish spot treatments in case I break out. I bring a very pared down basic version of my skincare routine. I'm also gonna throw in some things I'm currently testing out, which is going to be from Crave Beauty, and that will all go in here. So that's pretty much everything I am bringing with me to New York, except for the details on my toiletries, which I will update you guys as soon as I get to New York. So follow me on Insta stories because I'm very excited to announce what toiletries I'm bringing. You guys can guess in the comments. That's everything. I am good to go and carry on. Hope you guys enjoy following me along as I pack frantically. Make sure you check back every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday here on this channel in the month of July. New and Beauty will be up really soon, and of course, just make sure you check out my Insta stories daily for updates. And I can't wait to share with you more exciting things that I will be doing in New York. I hope to bring you guys along. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays at 10 a.m. PST. Bye!